this is Choose Your Ornament. I'm Jamie with the Hubbard Center for Lifelong Learning Coordinator. I do programs at the library. And Choose Your Ornament, this is the snowman. So if you chose the snowman, this is what we're going to create right now. This is what's in your kit. So white paint, orange, black, wooden circle, jute string, and a paintbrush. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to paint this entire circle white, and then you're going to let it dry. So we're going to get out your white paint, and you can do multiple coats, just depends on how it looks for you. And you are going to paint this entire thing. And you can go, I like this border, I like the wooden border, the dark wood border. So I am going to keep that, and I'm just going to keep painting, and then I'm going to let it dry. You got to let it dry completely before you move on to the next step. All right, so once it's dry, you're going to make the face. What you can do is you can draw with a pencil your nose if it makes you feel better. So it's just a little carrot stick. And you're going to use your black to outline it. Now the one thing about this paintbrush that I don't like is that it gets bristly. So I just cut off the bristles so that it doesn't show when I'm doing this. And then you can make any kind of, if you want to look at other faces and stuff like that, other snowman faces, or if you have a different face in mind, feel free to use that. You're gonna let this paint dry completely before you paint it in with the orange. Let me sit down and do this. Okay, and then you're gonna do the eyes. Just do big whole saucers. And whatever smile you want. And now you have to wait for the black to dry, and then you will paint it in with orange. All right, so I just kind of dabbed my paint on it. It's a little thick. Covered it all in. Once you're done with that, you're gonna let that dry completely. And you can do, you should have, I put way too much paint in there, so you should have enough paint to do both sides if you want to. Or you can just do one side. And then you're gonna take your jute string. You're gonna tie it in a knot, and you're gonna trim it, because I think I gave you too much. So you're gonna trim the ends. You're gonna poke it through that loop, pull it, and then you're gonna stick the other end through. And then you're gonna hang it on your tree. Make a great gift. So, or you can keep it. All right, I'm Jamie, Hubbard Center for Lifelong Learning Coordinator. Check out all of our programs on our Facebook page and our calendar on our website. So thank you.